Hello, Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress Story Lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can make $100 every single day using the power of affiliate marketing. Today, you'll be learning, or if it's your first time seeing me or hearing me, the name is Alexandra, and I teach network marketers or any ordinary person how to make some money online. If you're looking to add money to what you already have, you're looking to start your own business, and this channel is for you. Just don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my training. Let's get started. What you'll be learning today, you'll learn about the system that I've been using and my team been using to start making money every single day. You'll learn who is it for, reason to join, the compensation plan, and exactly how to get started. What is this system? The system is called $25 1UP, and the $25 1UP is an affiliate product, which means that you're getting paid by sharing someone else's product. Our great man TJ Holloway created that product, and he did a great job with it. He has some great training. And what he created some, you get some pre-made sell funnel to help you build your business, autoresponder to follow up with your prospect, pre-written ads and training, and so much more in the system. And you might be asking yourself, who's this system for? The system is for people that's unemployed, underemployed, retirees, people who are actually looking to make some extra income, students, pretty much everyone. If you can turn on a computer or a smartphone, you can actually do this. And my top reasons to actually join $25 1UP is a low startup cost, 100% commission. Low startup cost, what I mean, the lowest that you can start with is $35. But me, I never encourage people to stay at the $35 level. That could get you to the door, but I don't encourage you to stay there. But that's the lowest you can start with. And 100% commission, you get your, some company, they be giving you 50% commission, 30%, 75 when you actually do the work and bring some sales in. But this company, you actually make your whole 100% commission. You do the work, you're getting paid. No monthly fees. And also, like, we all know we don't like to have like recurring bills that's coming every single month on, because you already got other expenses to deal with. But with this company, with this system, you don't have to worry about the monthly bill. It's a one-time fee and that's it. We have great training and a support group to help you every single step of the way, and you also get result by leveraging the work from your team. And also the best thing about it, because it's a digital product, you don't have inventory to sell, you don't have things that you have to keep in your garage, you don't have portion like product in hand that you have to hold it and hoping that you actually sell it. And the compensation plan, you might be wondering exactly how do I get paid with this system? Because it's 100% commission, you are getting paid 100% commission from the level that you sign up for. For example, if you're only at the gold level, which is $25, when you make a sale, you only get paid $25. And if you get to the platinum level, which is $100 plus because you have to start with the gold first. When you upgrade to platinum, that will be 125. So you are positioned to earn like unlimited $125 commission. If you are the diamond, you add the $250, you get $250 commission, 125 and 25. If you add the enterprise, you get $500 commission, 250, and so on. Like anything, any package that you purchase, you're gonna get paid from that package and below. And you also get paid with the pass up system. You always go, you're gonna send, you will pass up, you will pass up your second sale to your sponsor. So whoever that bring you into the system, you will pass up your second sale to them and override. You also, when you position yourself at the higher level, so you get override. For example, if someone on your team is not at the same level that you are at, and someone decide to partner with them, but because they did not have the package that's required for them to make the 100 commission on that package, you will be getting that commission. For example, let's say your name is John, you bring Marie, and Marie signed up only at the $25 level, or they signed up at the $125 level. But and then Mary bring Joanna, and Joanna decided, you know what, I want to earn as much as possible. I will sign up at the $500 level. But because Murray only had only had the gold package, only had the gold package, so Murray will only get paid at the $25 levels. They only will send Mary only $25, and you will make the remaining $375. Or I mean not 375, 475. And if Mary was at the 125 commission, you will be getting that 375 because she did not position herself at the $500 level to receive the whole commission for that package. And you also get paid through PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, and Zelle because, like, since you get paid instantly, we're using processors that can pay you instantly for your work. So you don't have to worry about getting paid next week, 2 days later. In a month, you get paid as soon you make the sale because they're using those type of processors. You get paid right away. Maybe Stripe might take a day or two depending on how you set it, but the most you have to get paid with Stripe is 2 days. But the payment will show up in your account the same day. Just it will be available maybe in 1 or 2 days, but you will get paid. And you're wondering exactly how to get started. There's 5 different package that you can start up with. You can get the gold package, which is $25 plus $10 hosting fee. The platinum package, $100, which is include the $10 hosting fees for both. And you level up, you get the diamond package, 250 plus $25 hosting fee. Enterprise, 500 plus $50 hosting fee. The elite, 1,000 plus $100 hosting fee. You can choose to, like, I always recommend for people to start at the platinum level because that show me that you are serious about, like, getting started. The $25 is just to get you started to see what you're getting, but to be able to get, like, you don't want hobby income, you don't want to get like petty change, chump change. You want to be able to get commission when you get it, like, your day is okay. If you get, like, 5 sales in one day, at least you're good for a good week. You don't have to be stressed about your bill. I will do a quick show to show you what's in the back office. I won't be showing everything because that's for our members, and you'll be getting the training. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what you're getting for the training. On the gold package, you get a pre-written ads and training to show you how to build your business. Because the main thing I've been hearing people doing is saying when they're saying, I don't know what to say, I don't know how to capture my audience, I don't know how to attract them to me. So that's why this training is for. You got the pre-written ads, you have your ad copy sheet, Facebook group cheat sheet, 50 ways to promote your business. We have all of those training on the $25 level, because you might say, oh, the $25 level, I'm not getting anything. No, on the $25 level, you actually get all this to get started, to give you a feel of the system. And then when you get upgrade to the platinum package, then you get access to bigger training. You get access to Facebook training, you get access to Instagram training, you get access to YouTube training, because YouTube is the second most research platform. You get a lot. You get the autoresponder. You can set up your own page. You can bring yourself. You can set up a video to welcome your team in your business. So that's the reason I say it's always best to upgrade to the package, because you get all that. You get the gold and you get the platinum training, and you also can promote other stream of income in the system, because you don't have to actually promote one thing. But if you have other stuff, because I know there's other people that just want to add to their portfolio, if you have other stuff that you promoting, you can add them back there, send your leads to, and you can get started. Okay, I won't keep you long. I was just doing a quick video. If you want to get a partner with me, click the link in the description below. I thank you guys so much for watching. Click the link in the description below, or message me directly at facebook.com/misselouis1, and I will be putting my information in the description as well. And we can get started. We can talk to see exactly if you're a good fit for my team, and I will have some great bonuses that you will be getting started. You have to message me to know what those bonuses are, and I'll see you in our next video. Like I said, don't forget to be great, be bold, and be aware, and subscribe. Have a good day.